I surrender all I am. Take my heart and guide my hands. Your will, oh Lord, above my own. In your presence I am known. Be it unto me, Lord, as you say. I trust your plan, I'll walk your way. Be it unto me, I give my all to follow you, to heed your call. When fear surrounds and doubts arise, I'll lift my eyes unto the skies. Your spirit leads, your love sustains in every joy, in all my pains. Be it unto me, Lord, as you say. I trust your plan, I'll walk your way. Be it unto me, I give my all to follow you, to heed your call. Here I stand, oh Lord, in faith. I lay it down, receive your grace. Your will be done, your name adored. I am yours, my faithful Lord. Be it unto me, Lord, as you say. I trust your plan, I'll walk your way. Be it unto me, I give my all to follow you, to heed your call.